Imagine standing next to a creature so massive that its tongue alone weighs as much as an entire elephant. But the real magic isn't just on the outside, it's hidden deep within. We're talking about the blue whale, the largest animal to ever exist on Earth. Today, we're going inside the body of this ocean giant to explore an engineering marvel, a heart the size of a car and lungs that can hold a small swimming pool of air. Welcome back to AnimalAnatomyLab, where we deconstruct the giants of the deep, the heart, a massive pump. Let's start with the engine room. The blue whale's heart is an absolute unit, weighing in at nearly 400 pounds. That's roughly the size of a Mini Cooper. If you were small enough, you could literally swim through its major arteries. But what's even more mind-blowing is how it beats. When these giants dive deep into the cold, high-pressure depths of the ocean, their heart rate drops dramatically, sometimes beating only 2 to 8 times per minute. This incredible adaptation allows them to conserve energy and stay submerged for incredible lengths of time, while pumping thousands of gallons of blood through a body that can stretch up to 100 feet long oxygen exchange and the blowhole. Now, let's look at how they breathe. Unlike us, whales are voluntary breathers. They have to consciously decide to take a breath. When a blue whale surfaces, it clears its lungs through 2 massive blowholes with explosive force. This blow can reach heights of 30 feet, spraying air and mucus at speeds of over 370 miles per hour. It's a violent, efficient system designed to completely refresh their oxygen supply in just a few seconds before they slip back under the waves. The lungs, high-efficiency reservoirs. Inside their chest cavity lie 2 enormous lungs capable of holding about 5,000 liters of air. To put that in perspective, a human lung holds about 6 liters. But it's not just about size, it's about efficiency. While humans only exchange about 10 to 15% of the oxygen in our lungs with every breath, a blue whale exchanges nearly 90%. This allows them to maximize every single second they spend at the surface, fueling their massive muscles for the hunt, surviving the deep pressure. You might wonder, how do these lungs not collapse under the crushing pressure of the deep ocean? The answer lies in their flexible ribcage and specialized lung structure. As the whale dives, the extreme pressure actually causes their lungs to collapse safely, pushing air into reinforced airways where it can't be absorbed into the blood. This prevents the bends and allows them to hunt at depths where most other mammals would be crushed. It's nature's ultimate pressure-resistant design. The blue whale is a testament to the limits of biology and the wonders of evolution. Every beat of that massive heart and every breath from those giant lungs is a feat of survival in one of the harshest environments on our planet. If you found this deep dive into whale anatomy